What's up guys? Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video. The project we're working on today is we are giving Grandpa Doug's flower bed a makeover. We're doing a very simple thing with low maintenance, but he's got some Euonymus bushes. So that's our project today. Stick around. So Doug previously measured this. It was 18 feet, you said? 18 feet. He's got 4 of these bushes. So yes, I had already taken the grass, flipped it over. Now we're just going to be planting it. And I'm so excited to do this for you, Doug.
Yep.
Awesome. Glad we can do this.
Does a great job.
Okay, well Josh got all those holes all dug for those 4 bushes. Now we're just going to go put some water in them and get them nicely planted. I am a little bit jealous of this dirt. This dirt, if you think of high quality, you think of this dirt. Okay, we're gonna get those bushes pulled out of the pot and planted into those wonderful holes that I just filled with lots of water. Excuse me. Yes, get those planted. So I did quite a funny mistake as we were leaving the house. I just left my flip-flops on, totally forgot to put on my work shoes, so these things are gonna get nice and dirty, same with my feet.
Somebody forgot to wear their work shoes.
I did.
She's working in sandals.
So we got those holes all filled up with some water. Now I'm just gonna go and put another layer around the top of those bushes and still leave a little bit of a bowl so when the water comes in, it'll pull up around it.
I said, isn't that what projects are for? So you can have food after? That's my opinion.
Yes.
It's the whole reason for yard work, is just to reward yourself with food. Crap, look at those
so pretty.
shoulders.
These bushes are going to be beautiful here.
Mm-hmm.
They're really going to be beautiful. This will be a good matching tone to it. So yes, Doug did a good job with these Euonymus plants.
Yeah, it'll look cool when they're big here. What was that?
We got to make sure all these grass plants and the grass roots are flipped over real good or buried so they won't come back.
Nice.
Yes, we got lots of grass roots here. Well, this is really going to beautify that flower bed with that golden moon shadow. Euonymus bushes. I'm so excited for this. That'll probably take a couple years for those to fill up all the way up to the level. But as his sprinklers go off, it keeps these things watered. There's not lots of trimming to them. Those are wonderful bushes. So remember, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project. Now that it's about lunchtime, we're gonna go get some food and have some fun.